Hi, I'm Bryce with Liberty Homes, and today we're down in the mechanical room and we're going to talk about a few tips for how you can get your air cold again if you ever realize that your AC doesn't seem to be blowing out cold air. So we've already have a video you can check out from Marty about changing your furnace filter, but the number one thing you're going to want to make sure is that you don't have any restricted airflow to your furnace. When the system's air is restricted, that's going to commonly lead to freezing your line set. Once the line set's frozen, you're no longer going to get the cold air that you need from your condenser. So, two things. Filter's changed. If it is clean, another possible restriction problem could be if you have too many of your heat register vent covers closed, then maybe that's restricting the air, resulting in a backup of that cold air in your system, which is going to freeze your line set. So make sure that there's minimal restriction, not anything beyond normal. And if you've come down and find your line set is frozen, then you're going to want to first shut off your system. You've got to let it thaw. That could take 1 day, it may take 2 days, depends on how frozen your line set is. But a way to speed up that thawing process is if you turn off your system and then turn your thermostat to the fan mode only. So that way your fan is running and that air will blow across the coils inside of your furnace and help thaw out the line set. Once you've waited at least that day or two and made sure that the line set is completely thawed out, then you can turn your system back on and you should again have all that cold air that you want. And just make sure that you keep the filter clean and you haven't restricted too much air, and then you shouldn't have a problem with your line set freezing. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.